What's up, guys? This is going to be a quick unboxing of a screen protector that I picked up yesterday. So let's go ahead and get started. It is a Casemate screen protector. Link in the description for their website if you guys want to check out some more products. So I'm just going to show you guys what came with it. Those are the things that it came with. One full face mirror screen protector, a screen cleaning cloth, and soft applicator card. I'm gonna open this thing really quickly and whip it there. Okay, so very cool packaging, kind of. There is your, oh, I kind of forgot that it is for the iPod Touch 2G and 3G. So here we go. That's the screen protector itself. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is a fail. I'm just gonna have to put it up. Okay. So we have the screen protector, and we have like another plastic thingy to open, and you're gonna get. Oh, this is there. It goes over there. Came with a cloth to clean your iPod Touch with. I guess a microfiber cloth. Yeah. And it came with this. This is the soft applicator card to take out the bubbles when you put into your screen. So those are the things that it came with. If you guys are interested in getting these, I will have the link in the description to download. And I will probably have a review on this screen protector pretty soon. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Again, this is by Casemate. You guys should check them out. They make very cool screen protectors and other stuff, I believe.